Hey guys, my name is Mike from PTT Outdoor and today we're going to do a product review. What I have in my hand here is the latest third version of the Tahan foldable trekking pole. Let's go. So the first thing that I noticed is that it comes in a really nice mesh bag, which is always good because it's easier for you to carry in case it's muddy. And as I open the bag, I can see that it's already in its folded shape. It comes with the mud guard, which is always good. And of course, it is very light. According to our sources, it is only 280 grams per stick. Over here is the long attached version that I have, and they changed the color to orange color this time, and it's the same carbon tip, which is very good for gripping at harder surfaces. And let me just fold it up for you to see. The installation of the stick is rather simple. I tried it out just now. So it breaks into 3 sections and it folds back into a really small shape like what we have over here. What you have to do to connect this stick is that you just have to pull it down. It connects itself down here. There's a metal wire in between and you just pull this until a part where the tip comes out, and that's how it locks and you have a really sturdy stick. Over here we can see that the strap is the usual nylon strap that you get, but what I really like is the fact that they actually changed the gripping from plastic to cork grip, which is important because if you're gonna hold your stick for the longest of time, for maybe let's say 7 or 8 hours, you want something that is more soft and comfortable and sweat resistant as well, because for the previous plastic version, if it gets a bit wet, it gets a bit slippery and it's very easy for you to get blister on your hand. So definitely an improvement for the cork grip, and also they actually added EVA grip over here. As you all know, if you are going uphill, you are supposed to hold it a bit slightly bottom. So instead of getting it to the stick directly, so there's an EVA grip here that will actually help you still get a better grip when you're going uphill. And of course, when you're going downhill, you want to hold the top over here. This part is fully plastic, which is sturdy enough. The body is made of lightweight carbon aluminium, and also it's printed with its brand over here, Tahan. I love how light it is actually, and at the same time you can adjust this foldable hiking stick. Usually one of the things about hiking stick is you can't actually adjust them that much. One thing that you notice about the foldable hiking stick is you can't adjust the length. But for the Tahan trekking pole, they actually made it so that you can adjust it all the way to 110 cm from 95 cm. So you can adjust it from 95 cm all the way to 110 cm, which makes it more versatile for people with different height. And at a price point of only 79 ringgit, I would say this is a bang for your buck trekking pole that you can rely on, because when it comes to the forest, getting a good trekking pole is important. The not so good ones will sometimes break in the middle and it might injure your hand, and it gives you a lot of problems when you are hiking. So that's our product review for today. If you want the Tahan trekking pole, you can click the link below in our description. We do not get any affiliate commission, of course, but if you buy them at a price, now I think they are still promoting it at 79 ringgit. Price might go up, we never know. But for 79 ringgit is a bang for your buck hiking stick that you'll be getting. Hey guys, if you want to watch more videos from PTT Outdoor, make sure you click the link over here. And if you like the content that we make sure you smash the subscribe button right here.